This kit is centered around the impressive Raspberry Pi Compute Module 5, which condenses the formidable power of a full-sized Pi 5 into a compact system-on-module design. The specific module included is generously configured with 4 GB of RAM and a swift 32 GB of onboard eMMC flash storage. Integrated wireless functionality is significantly improved by the included external antenna kit, promoting stable and far-reaching connectivity. It provides a versatile array of physical connections, featuring a Gigabit Ethernet port and a PCIe Generation 2x1 interface for extensive expansion possibilities. To ensure the powerful quad-core processor maintains peak performance, the kit thoughtfully bundles a custom-fit heatsink for effective heat dissipation. Designers will appreciate that it uses board-to-board connectors that are largely compatible with carrier boards made for the previous Compute Module 4, making system upgrades much easier.